The view is amazing today. Sunset right there. Looks amazing. I don't know how they go inside. You can see I'm doing the fishing in there. There's 3 people doing fishing inside the Taihu. So right now I'm heading back home because it's getting late right now in here and it will be dark in a while. So I think we should end the vlog in here. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog and stay tuned and follow the account. Then after I will try to share in other vlogs so we can try to be connected with each other and try to be a part of my journey. I really appreciate your time. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.